Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for the Atlantic coastal waters between Manasquan Inlet and Great Egg Inlet, New Jersey, out to 20 nautical miles. The Atlantic coastal waters between Sandy Hook, New Jersey and Fenwick Island, Delaware, out 20 to 40 nautical miles, including Atlantic City Reef, Axel Carlson Reef, Barnegat Light Reef, Beach Haven, Brigantine, Deepwater Reef, Forked River, Garden State North Reef, Garden State South Reef, Great Egg Inlet, Great Egg Reef, Harvey Cedars, Little Egg Inlet, Little Egg Reef, Manasquan Inlet, North Beach Haven, Ocean Gate, Seaside Park and Ship Bottom until 11:15 p.m. At 9:12 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a thunderstorm producing strong winds 34 knots or greater, 11 nautical miles northwest of Beach Haven, moving southeast at 80 knots. This strong thunderstorm will otherwise remain away from significant coastal landmarks over the indicated areas. Mariners can expect gusty winds, high waves, dangerous lightning, and heavy rains. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until the storm passes.
The following is